Hey, so let's talk about the Diablo 2-inch handlebar, our Rhino line. This one is the Diablo model. You can see it's different from the Front King, from the King, because of these horns here. You do have this very stylish detail that works very well with more aggressive bikes, like for example a Softail Fat Boy. This handlebar in specific is made to the measurements of a fat boy, so the base, the tip to tip, and everything needs to be installed. It was made when we thought of this handlebar. We made it to fit perfectly a fat boy. Here you can see the cutouts like we have in all of our handlebars for electronic throttle. We can see here also some different stuff. This is the drilling we do. We do in both sides for the brake and clutch cables to come through inside the handlebars. So you can see the holes here too, where the cables are going to go in, and here is where they're going to go out. We also have some pullback. The pullback is very comfortable, around 7-8 inches, so it's not too close, not too open. It's good enough to keep you in a comfortable riding position. This handlebar is also made in polished stainless steel, so it's not just a chrome finish that with time will peel off and rust. This is polished stainless steel. It was polished by machine, by a person, to be completely shiny and don't have any chance to oxidize or create rust or anything like that. You can also see in our welds here that they are very, very strong. We use the tungstenium weld, so it's very much more resistant and sturdy than your average MIG weld. I think it's also good to notice the risers part. I don't know if you guys can see. There is a big riser reduction here. We do this on the safest way, so we do it using a machine part, completely massive machine part. So we go from 2 inches here for 1 1/4, and we also have this very different technology than most people that do handlebars these days, and this will adhere very, very strongly to the riser, so we'll be able to use it your original riser, and you won't have problems like the handlebar slicking off or moving a little bit. It will be completely stable while you ride. Other thing is the easy to install. So because our cables can be passed inside the handlebars, and we also have an option, you can check with me or Wesley about the semi-pre-wire option. You'll be able to see that we are going to have some wirings passed through the handlebars with the guidelines. So when it gets to you, you are able to pull them through and connect in your original ones, and this will make much easier to install. Now let's talk about a different option. Like we told you guys before, it's possible to have the brake and clutch routed inside the handlebar. This one is for a bike without electronic throttles. Here you can see all the cables running inside. The throttle cables, the brake cable, also the clutch cable here on the side. They are all running inside the handlebar through the body of the handlebar and going out here at the base and here as well. This way, in the bars itself, you won't be seeing any cables hanging or anything like that. It will be much clean looking. And if you're worried with like maybe the rain going inside the handlebar because of the drilling needed to pass the cables inside, we have a solution for that. We always send our handlebars with this insert finishing here, so it will keep your cable stable and it won't let the water go inside or anything like that. You can see that we do have those in the two sides, so it's completely secure. We thought in every little detail to have the best product for you. And now with this option, you have all your cables inside, nothing hanging, nothing not looking perfectly cut and well done like a Harley should be.